Hey, welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel. My name is Kalena. I'm a UK-based vocal coach, and on this channel we react to and break down the singing techniques behind incredible performances and sometimes the performances that don't quite hit the mark. Also, we dive into vocal training tips too. So if it sounds like your type of content, then hit the subscribe button. And hey, if you don't feel like subscribing right now, that's totally cool. Hopefully by the end of this video, we are going to earn a subscribe from you. All right, so today we're going to be diving into Jessica Sanchez's Die With A Smile from America's Got Talent 2025. This one has been all over my feed, so I'm like, we just need to kind of cover this one, you know? But yeah, so let's get to it. I love how her tone is very intimate. Nice. Beautiful, breathy textures. Nice.
Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's
Come on, nice build. Yes, just stunning. Like right from the first line, her tone is gorgeous. She starts soft, almost like she's letting the lyrics breathe. It's beautiful, it's gentle, it's intimate, and she's giving us that vulnerability straight away. And you can hear a little air in her tone as well, that breathy texture, which makes it feel very emotional and less polished. And I love that. She's not pushing the sound. It's sitting perfectly in a light mix, which leans towards chest voice. It stays warm and controlled. So technically she's using a slightly forward masky placement, which helps her voice stay close and intimate and clear, even at such a low dynamic. And that soft start is her using a breathy onset where she lets air escape just before the vocal folds fully close, which creates that sigh-like tone, which I love. And then her vibrato at the end of her lines, it's just so natural and relaxed, and it's just enough to keep the phrase alive. It's beautiful. She's not over singing, she's telling the story, and I can't wait to hear where it's going to go from here. So let's continue. Actually, let's come back a little bit and then we'll continue on from there. Gosh. So you can hear the breathy textures. So nice. So vulnerable. Very natural and relaxed. Oh, beautiful. And even her vibrato, stunning. Nice. She gets a little bit bigger here. She widens her vowels. Yes. So you can definitely feel it starting to open up now. Her vowels are widening just slightly, giving her tone more space. It's subtle, but it lifts the energy beautifully. I really love it. And her breath control is stunning here. Her lines are long and she's gliding through them. I don't even know how she's singing like this while she's 9 months pregnant. There are so many changes that happen in the body and the voice when you're pregnant. Your diaphragm has less space to move, so breath control gets so much harder. Hormones as well can also make the vocal folds swell, lowering range and just making the tone feel heavier when you're singing. And then you've got the fatigue and posture changes, and honestly, it's just so tough to keep that level of power and control. So I don't know how she's doing it. I know I could not sing-ish when I was 9 months pregnant, but yeah, so she's just taking it to a whole nother level right now. So much respect. I have so much respect for her. Anyway, I digress. That's waffling on about pregnancy. Anyway, hopefully you can skip that part if you're not interested in this kind of information. All right, let's carry on. Oh, beautiful. Oh, come on. So much depth and body in her voice. Beautiful. Oh.
And I wanna be next to you.
Ooh.
If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
So natural and relaxed.
If the
And I like
party was
that she
over
brought it down
and my
here.
time on earth was through.
We're gonna build. I'm guessing we're gonna build. I love the brows. Okay, so the first chorus just lands full tone, open vowels, completely centered, and her belts are so powerful. The resonance is lifted, and that's why it sounds so free. She's beautifully blending chest voice and head voice, and it is just stunning. And I love the way that she brings it down in the bridge. Her voice sounds so silky, and it's almost like an emotional reset and gives us that moment to breathe, right? Yeah, stunning. But technically her belt is a strong mixed dominant setup, solid chest voice foundation, very blended enough to keep it safe. But like I said, she has so much depth in her voice. You know, there's so much body in the bottom. It's very grounded. So she has that foundation for power in her voice. She keeps her throat open and her vowels rounded, which just lets the tone ring beautifully. And then in the bridge when she lightens up, that's just her easing off mix and shifting into more head voice resonance, but still keeping that solid support underneath. And her breath is slower and more measured, and she's letting the lines float instead of drive, you know. And I love that balance between release and control. It's very impressive. All right, are we ready? Because I'm sure this is gonna be big.
If the party was over and our time on earth was through.
Come on.
Just for a while and die with the smile.
Oh,
If the world
got these growls coming in.
did not wanna be next to you.
Oh, so floaty.
If the world was ending, I don't wanna be next.
Oh, there's so much fluidity in her voice. Beautiful. That final section was just stunning. She holds the high notes clean, centered, steady, and emotional. And you can hear how locked in she is with her support, her tone. She doesn't waver at all. It's very cinematic at the end as well, but also personal, which I love. And I love it because she's not just belting, but it's like she's releasing and you can feel it. Technically, she's anchoring deeper into the strong breath support, the open throat, a touch of cry, which just adds that emotional tension. And even with full power, her tone stays round, her larynx nice and neutral. And yeah, she just keeps it powerfully beautiful, not shouty. And she really controls the intensity very well. That was a performance. I'm still blown away that she's singing like that at 9 months pregnant. Like, honestly, I really am. But she completely owned that performance. Like, she owned it. It starts off vulnerable, almost like she's letting you in, and then she builds it into this full emotional release that just feels completely earned. She makes every choice intentional, from whisper to powerhouse. It is storytelling through and through, and that is what singing is all about. Sing a song, take me on a journey. Use your vocal techniques, use the tools that are in your toolbox to take me on an emotional roller coaster ride. And that's what she did. All right. That is pretty much it from me. Like, let me know in the comments what you thought of this particular performance. And also, if there's anything else that you want me to cover on the channel, just let me know in the comments, you know. And yeah, if you liked this video, hopefully we did earn a subscribe from you. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload a video. We usually upload on a weekly basis on the channel. And yeah, until next time, I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video and being here with me, and bye. Mwah.